So hi guys, welcome to my brand new video, and this video is all about Diwali preparation and Diwali diet. Okay, I'm sure everybody is busy preparing for Diwali. I'm sure you're decorating your house, you're busy buying your new outfits, and you're busy planning the meetings, the family gatherings and all that. And the most important part of Diwali celebration is Diwali snacks, right? And I just want have few tips for all of you how you can plan the Diwali diet. So basically, of course, it's a very important to plan our diet or maybe Diwali snacks well in advance. So my first tip for all of you would be, if we most of us what you're watching this video, maybe some of you are from Indian metro cities. So many of us, we tend to buy our Diwali snacks from outside. So I highly suggest, do not buy it from outside. If possible, try to make it at home. Even if you make it a small portion of it, which is okay. And in the last case, if you have to buy it, just buy that kind of Diwali snack which is kind of which is homemade basically. Okay, and so my special tips for you, all of you, is you should actually consume Diwali diet which is cooked, prepared at home. Number one is if you are going for Diwali diet, just see all of that Diwali snacks is prepared with Indian desi ghee. Okay, desi ghee के साथ वो बना होगा तो बहुत ही अच्छी बात है. Why desi ghee? Because desi ghee is low in GI, glycemic index इसका बहुत कम होता है. And of course, if GI is low, then definitely it is very good for our health. And of course, if you want to learn more what is low GI food, you can watch one of my videos on my IGTV, which is about healthy fat. You will learn more about this. And of course, this healthy desi ghee is very important for our consumption, for our entire meal planning. Why? Because when you eat low GI food and desi ghee, if your Diwali snacks is prepared with desi ghee, second point is इसका जो smoking point होता है ये बहुत ही high होता है compared to normal oil, which is again an advantage. Okay, and the third point what I can suggest is why to use desi ghee while preparing Diwali snacking is a healthy fat when you consume. There are a lot of vitamins which are only fat soluble vitamins. Okay, so when you have enough healthy fat in your diet, it also helps you to have those vitamins absorbed well in your nourished to your body. So it's important that you have a lot of Diwali snacks prepared which is in desi ghee. Okay, the number two thing which I can suggest is बहुत सारे लोग हम में से हम हमारा खाना तो खाएंगे दिवाली के वक्त, वो तो बनता ही है. At the same time, we will have Diwali snacks and extra meal. So all I can suggest is make Diwali snacks as one of your meal. Okay, plan your meals well in advance. Let's say if you love eating those laddus, or if you love eating those chaklis, or if you love eating those karanjis. Okay, so let's say if you have your snack which is planned at 4 o'clock or maybe 5 o'clock, which is your evening snack, so have that laddu or maybe have that karanji at that certain time. Do not go for extra meal, because if you keep going for extra laddu or extra karanjis plus you have your existing meal plan, so definitely you're hogging much more than we are supposed to. So obviously it becomes a calorie bomb for your entire diet, so avoid doing that. Number 3 is of course, let's say cheating हो गया, अगर आपने cheating कर भी लिया, but do not have that guilt all the time. If you carry that guilt all the time on your at the back of your mind, then this guilt will definitely make you stress. And I'm telling you, stress is not at all good for your weight or maybe for your entire health and fitness, because stress results in cortisol. Okay, now what is cortisol? You can refer to my different videos, you will actually understand more about it. So I suggest have a guilt-free Diwali. I mean, if you're, let's say if you cheat one of few days, okay, do not carry that guilt entire day with you. It won't help. Okay, and of course have a lot of water intake throughout the day, because if you have enough water, it will definitely help you for your entire day. So do not skip water intake, which is very important during Diwali. And of course, so let's recap the points. Prepare your Diwali snacks in desi ghee, because we are cruising towards the winter season. Of course, all I see is, I mean, we don't have winter yet. Some of the cities or most of the Indian cities, even now, they have monsoon is not leaving us. So, but still, I mean, let's assume that we are cruising towards the winter. So it's important to have a lot of desi ghee. Okay. Number 2 is make Diwali snacks as part of your meal. Do not have an extra separate snack as such. Have a guilt-free Diwali. Do not carry that guilt if you maybe eat extra laddu, and have a lot of water. Okay, so these are the tips which I can suggest you for your this Diwali. So have a very healthy, happy and prosperous Diwali, and have a very good time with all your friends and family, and see you in the next video. Thank you.